Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash and it is possible. Well, basically you cannot withdraw Sweatcoins directly to GCash. Sweatcoin is not a cryptocurrency that can be transferred to wallets like GCash. However, you can still convert your Sweatcoins into a real money or gift cards and then cash out to GCash. So what you're going to do is you have to open your Sweatcoin, and in the Sweatcoin, you will see that you can download this Sweat wallet. All you have to do is to download this one and then basically connect that email or Google account with the same account of your Sweatcoin. After that, what you're going to do here, once you have enough balance on your Sweat wallet, you can just basically transfer Sweat to a crypto exchange. So in your wallet, tap transfer or send. Copy your Sweat deposit address from a crypto exchange that supports it, like OKX, Bitget, or KuCoin, and then paste that address into your Sweat wallet and send your Sweat. Convert Sweat to USDT or PHP, or it depends on your fiat currency. Once Sweat arrives on the exchange, trade it for USDT. Withdraw your USDT to a wallet that supports conversion to your specific currency, such as Binance or Coins.ph. Now transfer that on your Coins.ph or Binance, convert your USDT or PHP balance to GCash using the cash out or transfer to bank option. Select GCash as the destination, enter your GCash number, and confirm the transfer. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.